In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run brainstorming sessions with Draw.io and Confluence. Let's get started right away. First, open Confluence in your browser and log in. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is where we'll begin building the brainstorming page. To create the new page, look to the top navigation and click Create. From the Create menu that appears, select Page. This opens a fresh blank page editor where we can set everything up. Click the page title field at the very top of the editor. Now type the title, Fall Campaign Brainstorming, so the page clearly reflects its purpose. Next, click the page body area directly under the title. Here we'll type the session prompt. Go ahead and type, Brainstorm ideas for our fall campaign. Then continue with, add one idea per branch. Then group similar ideas by color. This prompt sets the rules of the session for anyone joining later. Now, let's insert a Draw.io board into the page. Click a blank line under the session prompt to position your cursor there. Type a / followed by Draw.io. This brings up the / command results. From the list, select Draw.io board. Wait a moment for the Draw.io board editor to open inside the page. With the canvas ready, we'll build the main brainstorming map. Double-click near the center of the blank Draw.io canvas. A quick shape picker will appear. Click the rounded rectangle shape from that picker. Now type the central topic, Fall Campaign, and press Enter to confirm. Hover over the central topic shape, and you'll see direction arrows appear around its edges. Click the right direction arrow on the central topic shape to create a new connected branch. Type the first branch label, Audience Ideas. Repeat that same action from the central topic shape to add 2 more branches. For the second branch, hover over the central topic, click an arrow, and type Channel Ideas. For the third branch, do the same and type Offer Ideas. Once all 3 are placed, drag the branch shapes apart so the 3 branches sit clearly and are easy to read. Now we'll add starter ideas and visual grouping. Hover over the Audience Ideas branch. Click a direction arrow on that branch and type the starter idea, College Creators. Repeat that same pattern under Channel Ideas. Hover, click an arrow and type Short Launch Video. Then do the same under Offer Ideas. Hover over it, click a direction arrow, and type Early Access Discount. To color code the branches, click the Audience Ideas shape. Over in the right Format panel, click the Fill Color Swatch. From the palette, choose a blue color. Repeat the fill color change for Channel Ideas, selecting a different color from the palette. Then click Offer Ideas and choose another distinct color, so each branch is visually grouped. Now it's time to publish the board back to Confluence. Click Publish in the top right corner of the Draw.io editor. If a file name field appears, type a board name, Fall Campaign Brainstorm Board. Then click Publish or Save in the Draw.io dialog. Confirm that the board now appears embedded on the Confluence page. Then click Publish in the top right corner of the Confluence page itself. In the Publish dialog that appears, click Publish again to finalize. Let's share the session page for collaboration. Click the link icon next to Share in the top right corner of the published Confluence page. Confirm that Confluence copies the page link for you. Now click the embedded Draw.io board on the page. Take note of the pencil edit icon in the board toolbar. Teammates with edit access use this icon to join the board and add ideas during the session. Click outside the board viewer to return to the Confluence page. The Confluence page is now published with a Draw.io brainstorming board embedded in it. The board shows a central campaign topic, 3 colored idea branches, and starter ideas, so collaborators can open the same page, edit the board, and continue the brainstorming session inside Confluence. Congratulations! You successfully set up a complete brainstorming